Bonjour! Aujourd'hui, je vais vous lire un petit livre en anglais qui s'appelle Hippo has a hat et qui nous fait découvrir les noms des vêtements en anglais. Hippo has a hat. That's a hippo. And that's his hat. Lots of clothes. Let's try them. Maybe we can buy them. These are the clothes. There are lots of them. Lots of clothes. Everywhere. Tiger tries a shirt. Tiger tries a shirt. Can you repeat? A shirt. Leopard likes this skirt. Leopard likes this skirt. He likes it, the skirt. Can you repeat? A skirt. Hippo has a hat. Hippo has a hat. Can you repeat? A hat. Hats. A cardigan for cat. A cardigan for cat. That's a cat, and he's got a cardigan. Can you repeat? Cardigan. Camel finds a coat. Camel finds a coat. That's a coat. Do you know, in the morning I often say, put on your coat, take off your coat. That's a coat. An anorak for goat. This is a goat, and this is the anorak. Anorak. Toad's tracksuit is too big. Remember? Small, big. So it's too big. Look. This is his tracksuit, and the tracksuit is really big. It's too big. These jeans are tight on Pig. This is Pig, and this is the jeans. And it's too tight. It's too tight. He can't put it on. It's too tight. The jeans. Zebra's zip has stuck. Zebra, that's a zebra. And his zip, you know, when you tell me, can you zip my coat? That's the zip of the dress. But the zip has stuck. Oh, he's angry. The zip has stuck. This can't be right, says Duck. And that's the duck. Look how he put on the shirt. Crazy duck. Shoes for caterpillar. Ooh, okay. These are shoes. You know, I tell you often, put on your shoes, take off your shoes. And look, that's a caterpillar. Lots of shoes. Look how many. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. It's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 shoes for caterpillar. Slippers for gorilla. Oh, this is a funny gorilla. Look, he's got slippers, bunny slippers for a gorilla. That's funny. Flamingo buys a bag. A bag for the flamingo. A string of beads for stag. A string of beads. These are the beads. Now everyone looks smart, so let the party start. Oh, look, they're all at the party. They seem really happy. And this is the end. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.